Here in Leia's Temple, one of our city tours in Cebu. I like the details of the structure, guys. A lot of chandelier. We're on the second floor. It's like a balcony, and you can see the bottom part of the place. Look at that structure. It is it's like a design or from the pattern on a brace. It's like a gold ceiling. Oh, look at that. And these are her collections. That's a lot of collections. Oh, pero kuan kanang nabuak ang takob. Kuan to mahal ba dito pagpalit na ho? Chinese nga. Mga porcelain. Hindot na. Hilig silag manok. Kita na wa, manok is kuan man, laki po ng manok. Si Adarna collection here. Preserve nila, no? Not for sale. Kinahalan din yung hinduan kada adlaw. Look at that structure there, or figure, whatever. It's a road. Chandelier. Anong kahinlo sa chandelier? Chinese people gani balik sa Philippines, sa Masin ba? Nga na color, oh. Naman to'y takob, nabuak. Oh, this is the Blessed Family. Mary, Joseph, and then Jesus. Grabe dyan ilang chandelier, oh. May mga na Senior Santo Niño pa do. Tapos ikoan, tapos si Saint Vicente Ferrer. Kato, skillet. Ano, si Joseph dito. Sorry.
Wala San Vicente.
Why San Lorenzo Ruiz?
Na, San Lorenzo Ruiz. Kanang sa ato kinaunhan.
Nagdupa?
Oh, nagdupa. Mama, siguro na.
Bito na binasileya.
Sa maasin, daghan naman dito nga masanto.
Oh, kay pangawaton kay Ibalija man. Kay bahal man laban akong kuanak na first floor, another area where the collections of Leia, well, she was alive. I keep all the stuff here. Piano, figurines. There's the mermaid up there. Mas nila dyan, minimalist ka. Ikuan. Oh, pointing. Bookshelves, a lot of books, collections. There's a lot of Chinese stuff here. ceiling design structures. This is one of her dress. They preserve it or just keep it as a collection to remind you. Tape. Lagi, hupot tos kadyo. Uy, ang kadyo. Like this jar here. Dako, dako, dako,